Hi, everyone. So, I just wanted to leave a quick testimonial for Dr. Marvin Lee, because first of all, not only do I feel like a million bucks after each adjustment with Dr. Lee, but he really, really takes the time to explain everything to me in like easy to understand terminology, which is great, and parking is free. His staff is amazing. And you know what? I'm actually talking to my HR department at work to get free chair massages for my coworkers. So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Lee. Go chiropractic.